Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something exciting to share with you. I was recently on Olight's website. I clicked on the spin to win feature, and what I did is I won the J1M multifunctional EDC tool. I couldn't believe my luck, so I thought I'd do an unboxing video and share all the cool features that it has, so let's dive right in. This EDC tool is truly versatile and has a range of functions that make life easier. Let's take a look at some of the standout features. First up, we have the spoke wrench. We have two different size spoke wrenches, a number 14 and a number 15. The spoke wrench on the J1M plays a crucial role in aligning the bike wheels. It allows you to adjust the tension on the spokes to ensure the wheels spin straight and true. When using the spoke wrench, it's important not to tighten the spokes all the way. Instead, make incremental adjustments, tightening and loosening the spokes as needed to change the balance and alignment. This process helps in achieving a balanced and smooth ride. This versatile tool includes a slotted screwdriver, which comes in handy for a variety of tasks. Whether you need to tighten or loosen a screw or open a stubborn package, this screwdriver has you covered. Moving on, this tool features three versatile wrench sizes that come in handy for a variety of tasks. We have a 5.5 millimeter wrench, perfect for small bolts and nuts. Then we have a 7 millimeter wrench, covering a slightly larger ring. Lastly, we have an 8 millimeter wrench, great for those bigger nuts that might require some extra torque. These wrenches size give you the flexibility to tackle different size projects very efficiently. Now let's discuss the compass feature. The Olight J1M features a math compass providing a visual representation of angles from 0 to 180. While it may not be the most high precision compass, it can still be useful for basic orientation and navigation tasks. Last but not least, we have a built-in bottle opener. This feature makes the Olight J1M a true multi-tool. Whether you're out camping, having a picnic, or simply relaxing at home, doors that you're always ready to crack one open. If you're enjoying this unboxing video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Let me know in the comments if you used a similar tool or if you have any questions about the Olight J1M. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments if you use similar tools or if you have any questions about the Olight J1M. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.